Okay, students, the next part of the urinary system or ureters. Okay, let us discuss about this ureters. Ureters are tubular structures which serve to conduct urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Okay, these ureters are just like tubes arising from the renal pelvis to the bladder. Okay, and then they pass urine from the kidney to the bladder. Okay, they are approximately 25 centimeters in length with a diameter of 0.6 centimeters. Okay, so the ureters are tubular structures which serve to conduct urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. They are approximately 25 centimeters in length with a diameter of 0.6 centimeters. Extent of the ureters. Let us see. Each ureter starts from within the renal sinus as a funnel-shaped expanded part called the pelvis of ureter. The upper proper runs downwards and medially on the psoas major, crosses the pelvic brim to enter the pelvic cavity, where it ends by opening into the lateral angle of bladder. Parts. For the purpose of description, ureter is divided into two parts: abdominal part, pelvic part. Abdominal part from the site of origin of ureter to pelvic brim. Pelvic part from pelvic brim to the entry into urinary bladder is called pelvic part of ureter. Okay, constrictions are nothing but narrower part of the organ. Okay, in esophagus we come across all these constrictions, is it not? So the same thing happens in the organ, that is ureter also. Okay, there are three natural constrictions in the ureter: at the pelviureteric junction, at the pelvic brim, just before it enters the bladder. These three portions are having constrictions in the ureter. The renal stone tend to get arrested at these sites. Okay, and let us see the relation of ureter in females. Relations of ureter are important in females. In females, the pelvic part of ureter forms the posterior boundary of the ovarian fossa. Okay, the pelvic part of ureter forms the posterior boundary of the ovarian fossa. As the ureter descends, it runs forward in the lateral fornices of vagina, 1.5 centimeters lateral to the cervix of uterus. Okay, it is crossed by the uterine artery from the lateral to medial direction. Near its termination, the ureter runs down for a short distance on the anterior wall of vagina. Okay, go through this figure, beautiful figure, it gives you meaning. Okay, blood supply. Ureter is supplied by branches of renal artery, abdominal aorta, gonadal artery, common iliac artery, internal iliac artery, and inferior vesical artery. These branches form a continuous arterial chain. Okay, the veins correspond to the arteries. Same artery and same. Let us see nerve supply. The ureter is supplied by sympathetic from T10. Okay, thoracic 10 into lumbar 1. Okay, segments and parasympathetic from S2 to S4. Sacral 2 నుంచి sacral 4 nerves supplied with the parasympathetic. Okay, and let us see histology of ureter. If you see the histology of ureter, the outermost fibrous coat is adventitia, and muscle coat, if you see the muscle coat, in the upper 2/3 outer circular and inner longitudinal layers of smooth muscle fibers are added. In the lower 1/3 an outer longitudinal layer is added. Okay, innermost mucous coat is thrown into folds so as to present a star shaped lumen. Okay, see star shaped lumen, you see in this figure, it is very useful to, this figure is very useful to understand, and it shows the lumen, star shaped lumen. Okay, next is the epithelium is transitional. Okay, histology. So adventitia, number 1 is adventitia. See, this is adventitia, and muscle coat. Below this adventitia there is muscle coat. Okay, third one is lamina propria, epithelial coat, and transitional epithelium, fourth one, and lumen. Okay, innermost coat thrown into folds gives star shaped lumen. Okay, fifth one is the lumen. This is about the histology. Okay, so In next is the applied anatomy, ureteric caliculi. So caliculi is nothing but stone. Stone is formed in the ureter. Okay, the ureter. Okay, kidney stone may pass from the kidney to the ureter sometime, causing partial or complete ureter obstruction. It causes severe rhythmic pain called ureteric colic. The ureteric colic is a sharp stabbing pain which passes inferolaterally from loin to groin. Okay, ureter can be injured or accidentally torn during surgeries of ovary or during hysterectomy. Okay, congenital anomalies, bifid ureter or double ureters may be seen in some conditions. Okay, applied anatomy is not important for you, but to give an idea, I pasted a slide. Okay, it is not important, just you must know what is what. Okay, okay girls, with this the ureters are over, and also the urinary system anatomy and physiology is also over, but only thing, physiology, some portion of physiology left over, tomorrow we'll discuss about that. Okay, so regarding these ureters and regarding these urinary bladder, if you have any doubts, you please call me and clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you. Thank you.